y'all, Bridget Bartlett here with visionmarketinganddesign.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a membership website 100% free for your online business. So stick around, you are not going to want to miss this. Okay, welcome back. So if this is our first time meeting, like I said, my name is Bridget Bartlett. I'm the president of visionmarketinganddesign.com, and I was actually able to quit my full-time job as a pharmacy tech in just 7 months by learning the right way to do digital marketing. So now I'm on a mission to help others do the same. So like I said, today we are going to be learning how to create a membership website. There are so many reasons why creating a membership website is really important for your business. One, it helps to build a community, but also if you're selling digital products like maybe a course, or you are selling ebooks, or maybe you're doing a presentation, regardless of your reason, having a membership website is really important for building up that community and your brand. So let's go ahead and get into it. But first, if you are interested in starting or scaling your business online, I have a 100% free mentorship program that you are welcome to join. You'll get free tools, and actually the tool that I'm going to show you how to create your membership site on is 100% free. You'll also get access to that and an email autoresponder, as well as my private mentorship group where I go live almost daily and just help to answer questions. So a mentorship is not I'm selling you a course, it's I'm literally walking you through answering questions. I'm basically a support system as well as my community, which is my group. So if you're interested in signing up for the mentorship program, go to visionmarketinganddesign.com and go ahead and sign up there. So let's get started. Okay, so right now I'm inside my Builderall back office. Builderall is a digital marketing platform that has about 35 tools included and growing. They're always growing, always improving. They have a cheetah website builder. That's what we're going to be using today. With the free plan, you get this builder in addition to an email autoresponder. And that's free forever. That's not a trial. But in my mentorship program for the first 14 days, you will get access to all of the tools, and then you'll be downgraded to a free plan. So once we're inside the builder, this is what it looks like on the back end of the builder. So we just want to create a brand new website. So we're going to go to create new site, and we're going to call this, we'll just call it membership. Got a description here. And then you can select a blank template, which I like to choose. You can select a template from the options, or you can actually select a smart template. A smart template is basically a regular template, except you can put tags in it like company name or phone number. And if you are working with small business clients, you're able to basically, they can fill out a form that has that info, and then it will insert it into their template. So that's really, really awesome to have for clients. So I'm going to go ahead and for this purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and select a template that's already made just for time purposes. So we'll go ahead and select that. Now, there are tons and tons of templates to choose from, as you can see here. I'm just going to go ahead and we'll choose. Okay, so now here we are in the back office, and we've just created this membership website. Now, the first thing I want to do is go to edit the site. Okay, so now that we've done that, the first thing that we want to do is go and edit the site. So for a membership website, you need to have more than one page because they need to go to the page to be able to register for the website. So we're going to go ahead and just duplicate this page, and let's go ahead and just create another page. So we want to name these something different. So we'll just go click the 3 dots here, and we'll go to settings, and this will take you to all the settings of that page. So we're just going to call this page 2, call it the address 2. Okay, it must be 3 characters, so we'll just call this page 2. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and edit this page as well. And we'll call this page 3. Go ahead and save that. Okay, so now we have our home page, we have page 2 and page 3. So now that we have our website built, what we need to do is now create the members area. So we're just going to go up here and click to create members area. We're going to call this, we'll just call this VIP members access. That looks good. Now those don't have to be the same, but just for the sake of time, I'll go ahead and make them the same. So now we need to choose, how do we want the members to have access to this? How do we want to release the right to access these pages? So we can do this a couple ways. So we can automatically grant them access. So once they register, we can just they'll automatically have access. They'll be routed to another page, or we can manually approve them ourselves just by them, registering for approval, and then we will manually give them access. Or with this option as well, you can set this up to the super checkout, which again is totally free with your Builderall account. And then if they make a purchase, that will prompt them to have access. So if you had like a digital product, a course, or something that you were doing and you were charging for it, then once that payment has been processed, it will automatically give them access. So that's a really, really cool option. Since this is going to be free, I'm just going to go ahead and manually approve them. So then you have the authorization type. So how do we want to authorize them? Via a token, or do we want them to log in, or both? I'm just going to say log in. And then once they do register for this program, which pages do we want to give them access to? They're already going to have access to the home page, so we don't want to restrict that. But let's go ahead and give them access to pages 2 and 3. Now, Builderall also, your free account comes with a free autoresponder. So with that autoresponder, it's called Mailing Boss, and you can choose which of the lists that you already have made will this member which list you want the members of this membership area to go to. It's really cool to be able to add them to a list and then do, marketing campaigns of them. So we'll just say VIP member, and then we'll hit save. Okay, so now we've created our members area, okay? But now we need to go in here and, let's see, we'll go back here. I always forget to do this. There's one step that's pretty important. We'll just go ahead and edit the members access. And then we want to change this color, because what this color does is it will let you know which pages are approved for that members area, if that even makes sense. So you'll see here, as this updates, this VIP members access, the pages for this members area are in purple. So you can see that these 2 pages, pages 2 and 3, are marked with a purple dot, and that lets you know that you have to be approved for this members area for these 2 pages, okay? So what we need to do now is we need to go to edit the home page, because when people come to our home page, they need to have a way to actually register, right? So we're going to go ahead and create that now. Okay, so now that we have our website brought up, and you can see this template is really awesome, and this is totally done for you, okay? This entire template is totally done for you, all for free. The only thing we want to do on this template is just change this button to be a register button for our membership program. Okay, so all you need to do is click the button, and then with your left click, and then when you do, you'll see the editing options come up here. You can save this element, and you can actually save personal elements, which is really amazing. for future use in other websites. So that's really cool, because if we didn't want to, once you create the colors and the fonts and the size and everything for your brand, it's really useful and saves you a ton of time to be able to save those personal elements. For example, if I wanted to save this whole panel, like if I had, put a bunch of features on here, that's something I've done before, which is, it takes a lot of time. You can just save this entire panel and it'll be in your personal elements section. And then once you click on that, it'll just like bring in the whole panel. So that is super awesome to not have to recreate all that again. We'll go ahead and click that. You can click this to edit the element. You can click this to center it. You can click this to set the link, or to basically tell it what action you want it to take. You can duplicate the element, or you can hide it, which is cool because sometimes things look great on the desktop and not so much on the mobile. So having the ability to hide it for that specific that element it's a really cool feature to have. What we want to do is we want to set the action. Okay, so we're going to click set the link. And then a little menu pops up here, and we have all of these options. So we can make this button do a number of things. We can paste a URL in here and tell that button when someone clicks it, they need to go to this URL. You can choose to open in a new tab or the same tab. And it says open in the parent, use more when the site is inside iframes. Okay, that gets a little bit more complicated, so don't even worry about that. So basically, this would be a URL. We can make it open a page. So we have 3 pages in this website. We have the home page, page 2, and page 3. Again, you can choose to open in the same tab or a new tab. Builderall auto tags, that's what I was saying about smart tags, where you can just put in your company name and phone number and so on, and then you can create smart tags. So you can just, or for a client website, fill out the form and then it just puts that information inside your funnel. That's really cool for giving free clients or free funnels for clients. So you can make this button be a pop-up, which we didn't create one, but if we did create a pop-up, we would be able to access that here. We can change this button to be an anchor and move it to a different page. We can basically make it do whatever we want to with the anchors listed here. We can add a video URL. We can download a file. We can use the super checkout. If I had a list of items here, I could select it and then it would basically take that person through the checkout phase for that item. We can make it call a phone number. And then again, we can choose to have it register them for the members area. So that's what we want to do. So we're going to go ahead and choose register, and then we're going to choose this members area. If we had created multiple members areas, we could select whichever ones we wanted to choose. And then once they register, we want to redirect them to another page. And for this example, we'll just choose to redirect them to page 2. So now we've selected all of that. We're going to go ahead and click save, and then we're going to click save again. Say that's fine. So now our website is pretty much ready to go. We'll go ahead and X out of that, and I like to refresh this because sometimes when you've edited a page and done those things, it doesn't exactly register right away. Sometimes you have to wait a few minutes, so I just like to refresh. Okay. So now what we need to do is we can click these 3 dots here, and then we can go to the website page. So now I am in the active website. And remember, we just changed this button here to be the register button. So when you click that, you'll see the box comes up and it'll say name, email, password, and confirm. So this information, when they fill this out, this will go to your members area, and that is inside your the back end of your website. We'll go to site members, and then we'll go to members, and then once someone registers, their information will be right here. And then since we have it selected to manually approve them, you can manually approve them there. Now if you wanted to change the form, if you didn't like the way this form looked, you could add fields here simply by selecting to add the field. For this, you could do like, if you wanted to get their Builderall email, you could do that, and then you could, give them directions. So, what is your Builderall email? And then you could even give them some text help. So we'll say, please enter your and then you can select to have it required or not. So we'll leave it as yes. So save, and then we'll go ahead and save again. Now something else you can do is change the theme. So here is the default theme. You can change it to be 3 tabs. You can change it light to dark. Totally up to you, whatever your style is. 2 tabs. Just play around here and see which options you like. I kind of lean more towards the default. You can change the background color. You can change the background image. You could change the message here if they're denied access, and then you just want to hit save. So that'll update that form there. There's one more thing I want to show you, and this is super, super cool. Okay, so when someone is approved for your members area, you want to be able to send them an email and let them know, they've been approved. So when you select new automatic email theme, okay, to update, you want to basically choose what your email looks like when it gets sent to your client or the member of your program. Okay, so we're just going to call this VIP members access. And then you can click this little arrow here, and that will let you change these options. So you can change the subject here, like you might want to say, instead of welcome to members area, you might want to say congrats, you're in. That's just more fun. You can change this any way you like. You could change, instead of Builderall, maybe you want to put your name there or your company name. It has these tags here, so it'll put their username and their password that they chose. And then you can change this messaging here to be whatever you like. And then you just want to hit save. Now you have an active members area. So if you're interested in your free Builderall account, I know it's really free, and this is no credit card, no trial. This is free forever. So if you are ready to start your digital marketing journey, you want to sign up for my mentorship program, like I said, go to visualmarketinganddesign.com. I have tons of tools and training and resources and templates and all of these things there for you. In addition, if you are interested in just a free Builderall account, I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box as well. I hope you found some value in this, and I'll see you in my next video.